So let's first take a look at the extent of the damage. Okay, what we have here is like a stocking run. This is just a series of stitches that need to be relinked. And then we have a broken piece, probably in here somewhere. And this is another drop stitch, just a little run. So I'm going to use this little latch hook to pick up these stitches. And then we'll look at how much stitching we have to do. Okay, so it looks to me like we really are only missing one row of stitches here. This needs to be made up for. And this one seems to be the continuation of this one. So we've really only got one row. And so I've got some very small, lovely silk mohair. This is Shibui Silk Cloud, Shibui. And I'm going to use this to stitch in place of the missing yarn. So you can see I'm going to do some weaving in of these guys, and I've got this little piece of yarn left over from the original sweater, and I'm going to also make that disappear. And then no one will really ever see that little repair, as you can tell, and it can go right back into my wardrobe.